śrī-devā ūcuḥ vāyv-ambarāgny-ap-kṣitayas tri-lokā brahmādayo vayam-udvijantaḥ harāma yasmai balim-antako asau bibheti-fears naḥ-our. The demigods of the three worlds are created by the five elements, namely air, ether, fire, water and earth, which are controlled by various demigods beginning from Lord Brahmā. Being very much afraid of the time factor will end our existence, we offer presentations unto time by performing our work as time dictates. The time factor himself, however, is afraid of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Therefore, let us now worship the Supreme Lord, who alone can give us full protection. It's a very nice area. Bhagavatam is bringing the situation that even Devatas run for protection from Krishna. Here we are so proud. We proudly declare there is no God. Correct? What have to do with God? And any situation comes, see, God is not in control. That's how people do like that. What is God doing? So much murders are happening, this is happening, that is happening. What is God doing? Correct? We have this picture like that. So we question. And that's nature. That we do not want to accept responsibility for our activities. We do not want to accept. And therefore we tend to. Because anybody, it's, we all by nature have come to imitate God. All of us have a tendency to imitate God. God, whatever He does, people just clap and they look, wow, wow. We also want that. But at the same time, we are not gentlemen. We cannot accept that the mistakes I am doing in my life, I am responsible. I cannot accept that. Because then my prestigious position is over. Even though, therefore, the people who are doing activities which are not responsible, they do activities which are sinful, they tend to become atheists. Because only by atheists then they can justify. And they, even if they become so-called theists, they will say, God is making me do all these things. These are all laws of nature. These are all hormones. These are all biochemical reactions I am doing. They don't want to accept responsibility. They want to put blame on nature, put blame on God and run away and still say I am prestigious. Take an example of somebody who drinks liquor. Now any reasonable thing, it is nonsense. You are destroying your health, you are destroying your mind, you are destroying your money. Correct? Everything you are destroying. But you want to justify that now. How? If you say God exists, you feel ashamed. Because God is directly giving instruction, don't do such activity. You feel ashamed. And God is watching me, and then maybe I'll be punished to become more responsible. So I don't want to accept. So there is no God. What can I do? These are all chemical reactions. This is happening. And even though the whole medical science and everybody will say this is not good, because whatever God says is not whimsical. It is reasonable. Correct? But still somehow I will hold on to the idea that this activity happened, it is outside my control. It just happened from my hand. Correct? This is how the world is developing, where generally people do not accept responsibility for their activities. So laws of karma is actually making us responsible. It's a training, become responsible. Because in spiritual world, you have to be very responsible. You cannot behave whimsically. True? Neither God is whimsical, neither any individual there is whimsical. Everybody is, every activity, every word he speaks is very careful in the spiritual world. And true, they are on the yogamaya potency, no mistakes happen there. But their free will is still there. They always choose to serve Krishna in pure devotion. So that is the beautiful spiritual world we are having. And we coming back to the picture here, you see the Devatas. They are in trouble. And they are running to the Lord for shelter. But then some time ago, they forgot. They forgot their Guru, means they forgot God also. And they went into trouble. So there is no trouble if you don't forget God. Trouble comes when you forget God. Bhayam dvitiya-anuveshita shyat isha tapatyasya viparyah smritihi. What does it say? Trouble comes when you forget God. They forgot their Guru, Brahaspati, and landed in trouble. Who told them to do that? And once they are in trouble, now they are running to God. Please save us. But at least, still they are coming to God for shelter. And they are understanding that actually why Krishna is fearless. And why shelter of Krishna makes us fearless. Very nice. What they are telling. This Kala Chakra is moving in the sense just like we are young today. We may feel, I am going to stay young forever. No, sir. Be ready for a fearful condition. Just like somebody told me, one of our well-known person in Delhi is almost immobile, like a vegetable. His own daughter has come from America to see him. Can't even say hello. Can't even express whether pain is there or not there. Sometimes people in such situation are sometimes crying. Can't even express themselves. We don't know why they are crying or the pain. Actually, so much suffering is there. And waiting, this is going to come. If you see that, then you will realize, I also will reach that situation. So this word is fearful. Only in, lunacy, only in madness, we don't see the fearful nature of this world. It doesn't, because city things are hidden. No, just go. Why don't you walk into some hospital? Just see the fearful condition which are waiting at any moment. Padam yat vipadam na tesha. Prabhupada says always you should meditate like this. Mrityu Purusha is waiting at the gate and he will run and embrace me any moment. Somebody said, if you know next moment I am going to die, how nicely you will do chanting Hare Krishna. You tell somebody 5 minutes, you're going to die. How? Hare Krishna. If you the devotee, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. So nicely. True? So that can happen at any moment. So we should be therefore very much conscious. Now the Devatas, at least the good thing, they went to the Lord. And then they are meditating and they are full knowledge actually. They are great devotees. And what is the knowledge they are having is that this Kala Chakra, which is actually Kala means not your time on the watch. Kala means the force which is putting everything to destruction. Correct? Kala means a force. In the same way, we have Krishna, who is above Kala. Because Kala cannot touch him. Therefore, in Bhagavad Gita, what does Krishna say? Arjuna, I remember what this instance when I talked to Sun God, but you don't remember. So Prabhupada says there, Krishna is not affected by Kala. For us, what happens? We keep changing bodies. Birth after birth. Because you change the bodies, with the reference to context, you forget everything. Because your body, the material, Kala has an effect on them, it destroys it. Then you take another body, Kala destroys it. But Krishna remains in what? He remains totally in the spiritual body. Kala does not touch Krishna. You understand? Samajh aaya? Kala does not touch him. He's totally on a transcendental existence. Okay? But our existence is different actually. Okay? We are in a different situation. So we are affected by the situation we are in. And the situation is fearful. In so many ways we can see the material existence is fearful. Okay? So Devatas, maybe they forgot that. They had wine. Not wine they have something called, what is their thing called? Somarasa. And then they have apsaras. They have profound wealth. a lot of power. They forgot. Life is nice. हो गया. जिंदगी सक्सेसफुल हो गया. They ask any materialist. मेरा बेटा सेटल हो गया, उसका जिंदगी सक्सेसफुल हो गया. मेरा जिंदगी तो नष्ट हो, उसका भी नष्ट कर दो. इंद्रिय भोग में सेटल कर दो. सेटल कहाँ करना है उसको? इंद्रिय भोग में सेटल करना है. Such a nonsense civilization. So here, this what you will settle down, even Devatas are in trouble anytime. What you will settle down? Nobody can settle down. Any moment, situation is so... It's an illusion actually. Therefore, Prahlad Maharaj says, every moment there is a danger in this world. We don't understand. So now Devatas have a situation, look at them. They're thinking they're very comfortable and they did some mischief. So all trouble you create. Krishna doesn't create difficulty for you, you create difficulty for yourself. Why Krishna wants to create difficulty for you? You create. You chose to come to the material world and have illusory happiness. You created trouble for yourself. Who created? You created. You have to accept responsibility. And then, who told them to insult their guru? They created that problem. And now their Danavas took over. And then Brahma advised them, Brahmana with śrī-devā, they killed him also. So then they created another trouble. His father is definitely going to take action. Vishnurupa's father, Tvashta, was very powerful. He took action. And now he also made a mess. Pronounced mantra a little wrong and a demon is born now. Had he pronounced rightly, Indra was definitely dead. So a little mispronunciation, he was protected, Indra. But now at present the demon is very, very powerful. So all the Devata threw their astra, or Indra threw their vajra, and all the Devatas have Agni threw one, everybody threw one weapon. And Vitasura simply swallowed all of them. He was so big. Now they are panicking. Correct. So this is life anyway. So in our situation now, take because we are at the shelter of a great Acharya. Acharyas, a pure devotee's position is very special. He is Akama Bhakta. It is easy to say, but we are not even equal in the Devata level. We are rotten. But an opportunity we have come, we have developed some faith by good fortune under shelter of a great Acharya. Now, being on the shelter of the great Acharyas, we are able to see even the mistake Devatas are doing. Other Devatas are very powerful, Baba. They appointment letter from Krishna, they are very great. And we could see. Otherwise, who are we to find fault of the Devatas? We are insignificant. Okay. So this element is there, that actually that all the moment we should be absorbed in Krishna. And being conditioned, we may say, okay, I don't mind death. Being conditioned, it will be very fearful at that time. So we can remember this situation that Devatas are guiding us. That actually Krishna is even above he is not affected by the Kala. It's totally beyond that situation. And by taking shelter of Krishna, we become fearless. Everybody, there is a Prahlad Maharaj says, he says, my dear Lord, I am not scared. I am not scared of the fearful condition in front of me. Okay? Mahamrita magna chittaha. I am so much happy in hearing the glories of your holy name. Shochetato, but I am still lamenting. Naivo duje paraduratya vaitaranya tadvire gayana mahamrita magna chitta. Shochetato vimukchetasa indriyartha maya sukaya bharamudvato vimoda. This is Prahlad Maharaj, another great Acharya. Acharya's position is always even above the Devatas. They are worshipable even for the Devatas. Just like Narada is worshipped by the Devatas. That is, Prahlad Maharaj is also worshipable. But it says, Naivo duje paraduratya vaitaranya. He says, my Lord, I am not scared of your fearful existence. Correct? Of what I am not scared? Fearful existence. Naivo duje paraduratya vaitaranyas. This vaitarani, this fearful material existence, I am not scared. Tadvirya gayana maha amrita magna chittaha. By glorifying you, my Lord, maha amrita magna chitta, I am feeling so much joyful. Tadvirya gayana maha amrita magna chitta. Shoche. But I am lamenting. Shoche tato vimukha-cetasa indriyartha. For the people who are running for sense gratification, I am lamenting for them. Maya sukhaya bharamudvato mudhan. Maya sukha. Maya sukha means illusory happiness. These people are running after. These fools, I am lamenting for them. This is the position of Prahlad Maharaj. And actually it is true, Prahlad Maharaj proved it. When Narasimha appeared, all the Devatas did not have a courage to come in his presence. But Prahlad Maharaj just went and offered wonderful prayers. He said, I am not scared. Because Narasimha, they just killed Hiranyakashipu, there was blood everywhere. All the Devatas panicked. Actually, they came to offer prayers. They understood our Lord has come. But seeing him in such angry form, they were scared. So what happened? Prahlad Maharaj went. He was not scared. Okay? So material nature is fearful, first thing, understand. Don't be in an illusion. It's a very wonderful place to live. It's a fearful place to live. Only in madness we think it is a wonderful place to live. That's what somebody told Prabhupada, no? Prabhupada, how to preach to this person? He says he's very happy and he's not scared of death. Prabhupada, don't waste your time. He's a madman. So mostly people are mad people. Can't even talk to them. But some people are reasonable. They say, yes, I'm suffering. I'm suffering and I'm scared of death. He's a gentleman. You can talk to him. How can you talk to a madman? Correct? So actually it's true. Everybody is suffering. And even Devatas are suffering. Who are we? We are also suffering in the material existence. And there is an opportunity. And this opportunity we can take. It's left to us to surrender to Krishna. So Prabhupada said, don't be muda. Don't be a fool to miss this opportunity. Correct? Foolish people miss an opportunity. Very good opportunity is there. Today the Radha Ashtami, you can pray to Radharani. Opportunity is there. You are foolish, miss that opportunity. It's our own misfortune, correct? We are creating our fortune and misfortune. Krishna is not whimsical. So we have to choose. We have to deserve. First deserve, then desire. So we pray to Radharani today on a auspicious day of her appearance. We are very small actually, but we pray to her that somehow accept us, be kind, merciful, and tell us what we should do so that we can become a devotee, guide us, so that our service that we are doing becomes pleasing to Krishna. Correct? She is Hladini Shakti. Radha Krishna Pranaya Vikriti Hladini Shakti Asmāt. She is the Hladini Shakti, the internal energy of the Lord. So we should pray to her. Please be kind to us so that the devotion service which we are attempting to do is pleasing to Krishna. Devotion service is a very big thing. We can't devotion service. We are doing something on the order of the Acharya. But to bring it to the quality of pure devotion service takes many lifetimes. Okay? So with love, we offer our service. Now we are just doing activity. That is nothing special. But with love, Krishna, please accept this service. Correct? Same activity can be various propelling factors. And now we are just doing because Acharya has ordered. Are we doing it with love? No. That will come gradually. As we follow the process and the mercy. It is always called mercy. True, something you have to do. Just like take an example. A rich man is distributing. You have to go and raise hand. Please give me. So similarly, Radharani is ready to give mercy. What do you do? Say, no, please give. Not that somebody will put on your pocket. That's not the way it works. Mercy means you have to come forward. Somebody does not get mercy, never asks. So we go and ask, give me. Hladini Shakti. Hladini Shakti means unlimited happiness and pleasure in service to Krishna. She is ready to give. You have to go and ask. Mother Radharani, please be kind to me. Give me some mercy. I want to become a devotee of Krishna. She said, okay. Okay? Then we get the mercy. Srila Prabhupada ki. Srimad Bhagavatam ki. Hare Rama, Hare Rama.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare. Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath Swami, Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath.